Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to use Instagram name tag. For that we need to go to Instagram account and we need to click on our profile, and here we need to click on share profile, and here we have a background. If it doesn't like the background means you will change like this wow symbol, like dull symbol, crying symbol, and like this crazy symbol. Like this you can share, and here we have a share profile or copy link. I was clicking on share profile and was sending on this WhatsApp charts, Instagram charts. I was searching one random name and I was sending to him. Done. Like this, we can send our Instagram profile name tag, and I was again clicking on share profile, and I was clicking on share profile. I was copying the link, just copy, and I was going to my story and putting my name tag to our Instagram story. Like this, you can use Instagram name tag. Thank you.